A car is moving with V is equals to 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second towards north, and a truck is moving in the direction 30 degrees north of east, 30 degrees north of east. Then find velocity of car with respect to truck, in bracket. Truck is moving with same speed as car. Truck is moving with same speed as car. See that car is moving in which direction? 10 meters per second towards the north, and then truck is moving in the direction of 30 degrees north of east. 30 degrees north of east, nothing but 30 degrees angle is making with respect to what? East. I said of east, nothing but angle is making with east only. Then after that, what they are saying, you have to find out the velocity of car with truck, nothing but you have to find out VCT. And also in bracket what they said, truck is also moving with the same speed of what? Car. Direction is different, but truck and then car are moving with the same speed. What is the value of truck then? What is the speed of the truck? 10 only, no? Find out that velocity of the car with respect to the truck. 10 root 2. No, it's not 10 root 2. Direction also tell me. What's the answer? VCT is what? Velocity of car with respect to the truck. 2 plus root 3 into 10. No? See that's simple. Look at the board. First of all, what they are saying? A car is moving. With what speed? 10 meters per second. Along which direction? North direction. North nothing but what you have to take? J cap. Velocity of the car is 10 J cap. Now they are saying that truck is moving with the same speed, but in which direction they are saying? Northeast direction, 30 degrees north of east. So that here car is moving in this direction, that is velocity of the car, and the truck is moving like this. This is the velocity of the truck with what angle? 30 degrees north of east. This is the east direction and this is the north direction. So that 30 degrees north of east, nothing but of east means it is making angle with respect to the east. So this is the velocity of the truck. What they said, it is also moving with the same speed only. Now whenever you see truck is there like this and then car is moving like this, then where you will get the relative velocity? Car is moving towards the north. Yes. I thought east. J cap now we have taken. Now car is moving in this direction, VC. Yes, how much that is? VC is equals to 10 J cap. Then truck is moving 30 degrees north of east like this. Okay. Then this is the velocity of the truck. How much that is also? 10 only. Then what you have to find out? The velocity of car with respect to the truck. Who is observer here? Truck is observer. It is observing what? Car. So from where to where you have to get the resultant? Truck to car only. Now who is seeing? Truck only seeing the car. So that you will get the relative velocity like this. That's later on we will discuss. So first of all, velocity of the truck is there like this. So I will take the components of the truck. So this one if I take, this is 10, this is 30, nothing but what I can write this one as 10 cos 30 along which direction? I cap. Then this component will be what? 10 sin 30 in which direction? J cap. So that clearly what I can write, the velocity of the truck is 10 meters per second in which direction? North of east. With what angle? 30 degrees angle. Now velocity of the car is as it is 10 J cap. Velocity of the truck is what? Anything? Velocity of the truck? They said in the bracket it is moving with the same velocity of the car. You have to find out the velocity of the car with respect to the truck. Read the question properly. Correct only na? So that velocity of the truck. Velocity of the truck is how much now? Along the x-axis two components are there. Along the x-axis 10 cos 30. Along the y-axis 10 sin 30. So totally what I can write? 10 cos 30 I cap plus 10 sin 30 j cap. Clear? That is the velocity of truck. Why? Because if they give only along the east direction or north direction, you will get only one value. But here they have given slantly. Slantly nothing but you have to divide into components. So one of the component is along the east direction, that is how much? 10 cos 30. Why? Because for 30 this is the adjacent side, 10 cos 30. For 30 this is the opposite side, so only 10 sin 30. Then 10 cos 30, what will get here? 10 into root 3 by 2 I cap plus 10 sin 30 nothing but 10 into 1 by 2 j cap. Then this is 5, this is 5 root 3. So total velocity of the truck is how much? 5 root 3 I cap plus 5 j cap. Now this is the velocity of the truck, this is the velocity of the car. Now what they are asking? Velocity of car with respect to truck. So that VCT. VCT is equals to what is the formula? VC minus VT. VC vector, what is that we got? 10 j cap minus VT vector is 5 root 3 I cap plus 5 j cap. So that what will get here? 5 j cap minus 5 root 3 I cap. This is the VCT vector form. You want to find out the magnitude means what you have to do? Modulus of VCT bar is equals to what I can write? Under root 5 root 3 whole square plus 5 square. Ax square plus ay square only na. So that under root ax is how much? 5 root 3 whole square plus ay is how much here? 5. So that 5 square. Then what will get here? 25 into 3 plus 25. Totally how much? 100. 100 nothing but what is the answer? 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second is the answer. Understand now clearly? Yes? See, I will repeat again. First of all, they have given the velocity of the car. Car is moving in which direction? North direction. Without drawing the diagram also you can do this one. North direction nothing but immediately you have to take, okay, 10 j cap is the velocity of the car. Next they are saying that truck is moving 30 degrees north of east, nothing but it is moving slantly. Now you take the diagram, it is moving slantly in this direction. So we will get two components. Always you have to take in vector form only. I said in one dimension means if you not take in the vector form also, that is okay, you can even apply the stopping method also. But this is two dimension. Always you have to take in vector form only. So this 10 will be get divided into two components. One is horizontal and then another is vertical component. So that 30 is the angle. So 10 cos 30 I cap, 10 sin 30 j cap. The velocity of the truck is two components. The velocity of the car is only one component is there. So the truck is equals to 10 cos 30 I cap, 10 sin 30 j cap. Then totally what we got, that as velocity of the truck is 5 root 3 I cap plus 5 j cap. Now you have to find out what velocity of the car with respect to truck. So velocity of the car with respect to truck nothing but Vc minus Vt. Then this one Vc is how much they have given clearly, 10 j cap minus Vt value I have substituted. So that I got Vct is equals to how much? 5j minus 5 root 3 I. For this one I have to find out the magnitude. For finding the magnitude, modulus of Vct is equals to what I can write? Under root x component square plus y component square, that is a magnitude formula. Then x component square is what? 5 root 3 whole square plus y component square is what? 5 square. Totally how much we are getting? 10 meters per second. Now can you tell me the direction with angle? direction with angle. See, simply don't go for the diagram. Simply by this vector only we can say. So that what is the tan theta? Tan theta is equals to just what you have to take? Opposite by adjacent. Who is opposite here? 5 divided by 5 root 3. Minus 5 root 3, no? So that here 5 gets cancelled. What will get? Minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3 nothing but what is the angle? 150 na? 1 by root 3 na? 1 by root 3 will be for the 30 degrees. So that what will get? 90 plus 30 I guess you will get 120 degrees only na? So that 120 degrees you will get. So only we are getting in this direction. See that what is this angle? Here it is 30, this is 90. Totally how much? 120. 150 na? Wait. Tan 90 plus 50 you will get. Otherwise 90 plus 30 no? Tan minus 1 by root 3 na? If you say that is 150. 150 nothing but 90 plus 60. Tan 90 plus 60. Which quadrant that is? Second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is plus or minus? Minus. So minus. 90 nothing but function will changes or not changes? Changes. So what is remaining? Cot 60 is remaining. Cot 60 value is how much? 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Yes. Yes, that's correct. 150 is the angle. Okay. So angle is theta is equals to 150 degrees. Then here obviously we get 60, that's it. Don't get worried about the diagrams. If you don't know how to draw the diagram, don't get worried about that. Just direction means you have to take the vector y component divided by the x component, that's it. $150 degrees nothing but what is the direction? What I can say in terms of north, east, west like that? See this? Like this 150 is there nothing but 90 plus 60 no? So that what I can write? This one as north and then it is moving towards what? West. So that what I can write? West of north or north of west? Half means what? For whichever the angle is there, that one you have to put as half. So that angle is there for which one? North. So that half north, west of north. So how much angle? Theta is equals to 60 degrees. 60 degrees west of north. Clear? You understand right? Direction tan theta is equals to what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite nothing but what? Y component divided by adjacent nothing but x component. So 5 divided by minus 5 root 3. From that theta is equals to how much we got? 150. Then theta is equals to 150 nothing but whenever you want to describe the direction, at that time 90 plus 60. With east it is 150. If you take theta is 150 with east 150 is correct. I want to tell in terms of north and then west. Then what will get here? 90 plus 60. Angle is making 60 degrees angle is making with respect to what? North. So that of north. Towards which one it is moving? West. So that west of north. how much angle? Theta is equals to 60 degrees. Clear, right? This one direction, that's important to find out the options. They will give all the options this one only, 10 meters per second only, but they will change the direction. Then you will get confused in that. Clear? Clear, otherwise shall I explain again? Clear, huh? Let us do some more problems. A man is walking on a horizontal road Uday, keep that fan in swing. But that's your property only. A man is walking on a horizontal road with velocity of 10 kilometers per hour. With velocity of 10 kilometers per hour in east direction. In east direction. Full stop. He feels that wind is blowing from south. Wind is blowing from south with the same speed. Then find, in that first question, velocity of wind with respect to ground. Velocity of wind with respect to ground. Then second question in that, if the speed of the man is doubled, then find velocity of wind with respect to man. Find velocity of wind with respect to man. First, a man is walking towards which direction? Horizontal road, na? Horizontal road with a velocity of 10 kilometers per hour in the east direction, and then he is feeling nothing but, that is the wind velocity, na? Otherwise relative velocity, na? Relative velocity. He is feeling nothing but he is observing. He is observing that wind is blowing with what speed? Same speed. Wind is blowing with the same speed from south. From south nothing but, what you have to take for that? From south to north. Nothing but what you have to take? J cap only, na? South to north nothing but upwards, positive y axis. What you have to take? Plus 10 j cap you have to take. Then in that first question is velocity of the wind with respect to ground. Next question is, if the man's speed is doubled from 10 to 20 it is becoming, at that time what you have to find out? Find the velocity of wind with respect to man. Try that. Tan inverse of? Yes, tan inverse of 1 means how much angle, sir? Adi helbeku neevu. Matte? Yes, 10 root 2 is the correct answer. Angle is theta is equals to 45, northeast direction. Second one I will explain. First one you got at least? Everybody got that? 10 root 2 you will get. No? I will explain that. See that man is 10 root 6. Wait. So man is moving. Man is moving in which direction? East direction. Man is moving, listen properly. Man is moving east direction. Velocity of the man is Vm is equals to what they said? 10 kilometers per hour along the east direction. So that velocity of the man is 10 I cap. He feels that. What he is feeling? Wind is blowing from south direction. From south nothing but south to north. Along which direction that is? North direction. South to north nothing but plus y axis. Plus y axis nothing but what will get? 10 j cap. Same speed they said. He is feeling that wind is blowing from south to north in this direction with what speed? 10 j cap. He is feeling nothing but that is the original velocity, otherwise relative velocity. Relative velocity. The relative velocity of the wind with respect to man. Okay. So that is 10 j cap from south to north like this. And then now what they are asking? First question is what they are asking? Velocity of the wind with respect to ground. So for this purpose, first of all, you take this one as velocity of the wind with respect to the man is equals to what is the formula I can write? VW minus Vm. VW minus Vm. So that VWM, what is the VWM value they have given? 10 j cap. VW value you have to find out. You have to find out that VW minus Vm is how much? 10 I cap. Then VW bar is equals to what I can get? 10 I cap plus 10 j cap. Now we have to find out the magnitudes. Magnitude of the velocity of the wind is equals to what? Under root 10 square plus 10 square, a square plus b square. Otherwise ax square plus ay square. Then what will get here? 200 no? 200 nothing but 10 root 2 kilometers per hour I guess. Kilometers per hour. That is a velocity of the wind. Nothing is there, nothing but with respect to what? Ground only obviously. So that velocity of the wind with respect to ground is 10 root 2 kilometers per hour. What is the direction of that? Direction is what you have to do? Tan theta is equals to. How to find out that? Opposite by adjacent, that's it. J cap component by x cap component. X I cap component and then j cap component you have to take. Opposite is how much? 10. Adjacent also 10 only. So that 1. So that at what angle we will get? Theta is equals to 45 degrees. Theta is equals to 45 degrees. That direction we will find out later. Now next case. Next case they said clearly that velocity of the man is doubled. Doubled nothing but initially how much? 10 I. Now it will be how much? 20 I cap. This is the second question. 10 root 5. Let us find out. So velocity of the man is 20 I cap. Then velocity of the wind is how much? Same otherwise 10 root 2 na. 10 root 2 you have to take. See that this is what velocity of the wind with respect to man. What you have to take? Velocity of the only wind you have to find out. Finally what they are asking in the question, in the second question? Velocity of the wind with respect to man. Clear? Most of the people whoever got 10 root 5, 10 root 6 something and all you are telling, so that you have taken this value. This only you have to find out, again you are taking that only. Clear? Huh? So that, what is that? Wait. So that this is the velocity of the wind with respect to man in the first case only. Now he is increasing his speed. Whenever he is increasing his speed, what you have to find out? Velocity of the wind with respect to man you have to find out. So that VWM is equals to what I can write? VW minus Vm. What is VW? 10 root 2 nothing but take in terms of vector only. What is that? 10 I cap plus 10 j cap. This is only the original velocity of the wind. So that 10 I cap plus 10 j cap minus velocity of the man is how much? 20 I cap. So that what will get here? 10 I cap minus 10 I cap then plus 10 j cap. This is the velocity of the wind with respect to man. So magnitude of that will be how much? 10 root 2 again, 10 square and then 10 square. So that you will get it as 10 root 2. Clear now? How you will get 10 root 6? I don't know. 10 root direct ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. You have added a vector with a scalar directly. You are going against the rules, sir. So that is the answer. Clear? So first listen again. Initially man was moving with what speed? 10 I cap. 10 I cap nothing but 10 kilometers per hour in east direction. For example, I am only moving in this direction, east direction. Then what I am feeling nothing but I am feeling that wind is coming from ground floor to top floor. I am feeling nothing but what it is a relative velocity. I am observing that relative velocity. Relative velocity of whom? Wind with respect to me. So that velocity of the wind with respect to the man is how much? 10 j cap. Why? Because it is coming from south to north. South to north nothing but along positive y axis. So that 10 j cap I have taken. Then I have to find out the original velocity of the wind. For that purpose, velocity of the wind with respect to the man is equals to velocity of the wind minus velocity of man. This is the formula. VAB equals what is the formula? VA minus VB. Then velocity of wind with respect to man, what they have given? 10 j cap is equals to velocity of the wind I have to find out minus velocity of the man is how much? 10 I cap. Then velocity of the wind is how much? 10 I plus 10 j. Modulus of velocity of wind, I want to find out the magnitude by the way. Then what will get here? 10 root 2 kilometers per hour. If you want to find the direction, then theta is equals to how much? 45 degrees. 45 degrees from where to where you will get? In this direction. From where you have to get? Tail to the head only, na? Tail of the first vector to the head of the second vector. Okay. So in which direction it is there? 45 nothing but either you can take this angle or that angle. So what I can write this one as? North of east. Otherwise east of north. Anything you can consider. Now this is the angle is 45 degrees. Next case, the man is doubles his speed. Whenever the man is doubling his speed, nothing but the velocity of the man is how much? 20 I cap. Now clearly what they are asking? Velocity of the wind with respect to the man. Most of the people have taken directly this value only, so that you will get the wrong answer. Clear? Why? Because this is the velocity of wind with respect to man. Here you have to find out that only. How can you take like that again? Yes, then velocity of the wind with respect to man is velocity of the wind minus velocity of the man. What is the velocity of wind we got? 10 I cap plus 10 j cap, that I have substituted here, minus velocity of the man is how much? 20 I cap. Then minus 10 I plus 10 j. Then modulus of VWM is equals to how much? 10 root 2 kilometers per hour again. See that here whenever he is moving with 10 kilometers per hour, velocity of the wind with respect to man is how much? 10. Whenever he is increasing his speed to how much? 20. At that time, velocity of the wind with respect to man is becoming as how much? 10 root 2. Okay, now whenever I increase my speed, for example, I am just walking on a road. I am feeling that rain is falling vertically. I am feeling. Same case only I am telling about. I am walking on the road. I am feeling that rain is falling vertically. If I am just on the bike and then I am doubling my speed, then what happens? Rain will fall vertically only or slantly? Slantly only this one. Correct? 10 root 2 nothing but what? It is what? At what angle it is falling? 45 degrees only, no? Obviously. So that I am feeling it as a slantly. Here also the same thing is happening. Whenever you are walking, rain is falling vertically. Whenever you increase your speed, then what happens? You will feel that rain is hitting your face. Correct? Why? Because it is coming slantly. That is a proof. Understand it clearly? Copy that. If anybody having confusion in the directions, nothing but you have to solve number of problems. Try number of problems, then you will be perfect in that. My girl strength is less. There one more girl, new girl absent. Here you will be sitting there. Here also one more member is. Here also one more member. Akshata. Be regular to the classes. In boys also Gautam is absent, I guess. Then that's it. Boys, everybody came, huh? Uday is absent. Finished, huh? Next, very, very important model. Write that a bird is flying. A bird is flying with constant speed u. With constant speed u above a train. Above a train. Above a train which is moving with a constant speed v. Which is moving with a constant speed v. Then find the average speed. Find the average speed of the bird find average speed of the bird with respect to train when it moves, when it flies to and fro along the train. To and fro means forward and then backward. To and fro along the train. Let me give you the options. Take the length of the train as L. Take length of the train as L. It is moving to and fro. Nothing but what happening? From back to front, front to back. How much distance it is covering totally? Going L, coming L. So that how much distance? 2L. One time only. From here to here. See this, Deepika. From here to here, here to here. Got the answer? Try that. You can get, everybody can get the answer. You have to try first of all. What they are asking? Average speed. What is the average speed formula? Total distance by total time. Did they mention about any time there? Then what you have to take? Distance by velocity. Distance by speed you have to take. Second option. Yes, we'll check. Shall I do? See that. So first of all, bird is starting at the end, first one end. Then what they are saying? The bird is flying with a constant speed. How much speed they are saying? U. So that speed of the bird is U. And then speed of the train is how much? V. Now what they are asking? Average speed. V average is equals to what I can write? Total distance by total time. Total distance. What they are saying? It is moving to and fro. To nothing but what? One direction like this. Fro nothing but what happening? Again it is coming to the same position. Like simple pendulum only. What simple pendulum will do? To and fro motion only, na? So that here it is going one time going forward and then coming backward. So that what happens? At that time we will see. So total distance. How much distance? Total distance is S1 plus S2 by T1 plus T2. This is average speed formula, no? Average speed nothing but total distance by total time. So S1, how much distance first time it is travelling? L. And then next time? L only again. That divided by. You should not take that as minus L. Why? Because the distance is scalar or vector? Scalar quantity. So that L plus L. That divided by. Is there any time they have given? They have not given time. So time is equals to what is the formula? Distance by speed only, no? So that distance by speed. First time what is the distance? L by. What is the speed in the first time? Relative velocity you have to take. See that both are moving in the same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. Same direction nothing but what will get? U minus V. Then plus. Next time what happening? It is flying in backward direction. Now the velocity of the bird is there in this direction. Train is moving forward. What is the relative velocity? Both are opposite directions. U plus V, no? So that L divided by U plus V. Clear? Then here L plus L is how much? 2L divided by L by V minus U minus V, L by U plus V. I will take U minus V into U plus V as a LCM. Then I will take L as common. Then what is remaining inside? U plus V plus U minus V. Then L gets cancelled here. Then V gets cancelled. What is remaining here? 2 into, it is going upwards nothing but what happens then? U minus V into U plus V. What is the formula? U square minus V square. U square minus V square by what is remaining in down? 2U is remaining. Then U gets cancelled. U square minus V square by U. That's the answer. Everybody understood, right? So once it is going to and fro nothing but going forward, how much distance? L distance. Coming backward, how much distance? L distance. While going forward, both are in the same direction. Same direction nothing but what is the relative velocity? U minus V. VAB is equals to, first case, whenever both are moving in the same direction, then what is the formula we got? VA minus VB. Next, both here, while coming backwards, the bird is flying towards the left side, train is moving towards the right side. They are receding from each other. At that time, what is the relative velocity you will get? Sum of the velocities only, na? Plus you will get. So that plus I have got. They are asking average speed nothing but what? Total distance by total time. How much distance is covered? L going and then L coming. So that how much that is? 2L divided by time. Time nothing but what is the formula we can take? Distance by speed. How much distance it is going? L distance. Same direction nothing but U minus V. Plus again coming backwards L distance with what speed? Opposite speeds, no? Opposite speeds nothing but what? U plus V. After minimizing I got this equation U square minus V square by U is the correct answer. That is a V average. People might be thinking that they might be taken V minus U and then V plus U also. Your answer also correct only. But here what happening nothing but who is flying? Bird is flying. With respect to that only you have to take. Velocity of the bird with respect to the train. Okay. Who got this answer before me? Anybody have got? Nobody in the class. Anybody got second option? You have taken train with respect to bird. Train flying or bird flying, sir? Bird with respect to train you have to take. This is important model. Material is there, Amma. Material, objective material is there. Kiran, where is your material? You got your material? No? Taus? लेके नहीं आया? ऐसा तुम्हारा डिफरेंट था ना? नहीं लेके आया? Lift. Done. Next, write a problem. A lift starts ascending. A lift starts ascending with an acceleration of 4 feet per second square. With an acceleration of 4 feet per second square. Full stop. At the same time, a bolt falls. A bolt falls from its ceiling 6 feet above the floor. 6 feet above the floor. Then find time taken. Then find time taken by it. To reach the ground. In bracket, G is equals to 32 feet per second square. 32 feet per second square. 1 by root 3. Very good. Lift is ascending. Ascending nothing but it is going in which direction? Upward direction. Bolt is falling nothing but it is falling in downward direction. I will explain the diagram, you can solve. 1 by root 3 is the correct answer. See that lift is going in upward direction. With what acceleration? Don't convert any units. Don't get worried whenever you see the feet. Everything is there in feet only, no? There is no problem in that. So if you want to convert again feet to meter per second, there is no need only. Everything is feet only. They have given G also in feet only. Then what is the problem? Right? So that here lift is moving upwards with what acceleration? A is equals to 4 feet per second square. Otherwise you take everything in meter per second square only. Then 4 feet per second square. Then what happening at the same time whenever it is going upwards, a bolt is falling down. A bolt is falling down from the top of a ceiling of the lift. It is falling down nothing but with what speed it is falling? U is equals to 0. How much height it is falling? 6 feet above the floor of the lift. Okay, 6 feet above the floor of the lift. Now it is falling with some acceleration. What acceleration it is falling with? G only, na? Whenever it is falling, nothing but freely falling, nothing but it is falling under the gravity. Now for a freely falling body, you have to find out the time taken. What is the time taken formula? T is equals to, what is the formula? Under root 2h by g only, na? Otherwise S is equals to, what is the formula? ut plus half at square. Freely falling, u is equals to how much? 0. Displacement, how much displacement it is travelling? 6 feet is equals to half. One acceleration is there or two acceleration is there? Two acceleration. One is acceleration, another is g. So that what I can write? A relative into t square. Clear now? Then 6 is equals to half into, what is the relative acceleration here? One is upwards, another is downwards. Both are moving in opposite directions. What will you get? Addition or subtraction? Addition only, na? So that relative nothing but you have to take that as g plus a. G plus a into t square. Then here half into g is how much they have given already? 32 plus 4 into t square is equals to 6. Then this will be how much? 12 is equals to 32 plus 4, 6 means 36. Then t square. Then 6 za, 6 2 za. Then this is 1 by 3. 12 3 is 36, no? I don't know that. Then t is equals to 1 by root 3 seconds. Understand it clearly? So that they have given two accelerations. In the problem directly they have given only one acceleration. But whenever the body is falling freely, it is moving under what? It is moving under the gravity only. What is the gravity value for us? G. G is in the problem what they have given? 32 feet per second square. So take S is equals to ut plus half at square. Why? Because they are asking what? Time taken only, no? So that given the displacement, height of the lift is given accelerations, and then asking the time. What is the formula we can use? Only one formula is possible, that is S is equals to ut plus half at square. Otherwise if you see v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Is there any time in this? There is no time, so that you cannot consider this formula. Only one formula, S is equals to ut plus half at square. Then u becomes how much? 0. Then S is equals to half relative acceleration. We are having two accelerations. Relative acceleration, both are in which directions? Opposite to each other, so that g plus a you have to take. Everything I substituted, and then t is equals to how much? 1 by root 3 seconds. Done? Draw the diagram also. Write a note point. Kinematical equations in relative motion. Kinematical equations in relative motion. So first equation is S is equals to ut plus half at square. So in relative motion what I can write? What is S here? Displacement, no? So that here what I can write? Relative displacement is equals to, S relative is equals to, what I can write here? U relative into t plus half into A relative into t square. Then here next one is what? V is equals to U plus AT. Clearly what I can write here? What I can write in relative motion? V relative is equals to U relative plus A relative into t. Then next, what is the next formula? V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. For that what I can write? V relative square minus U relative square is equals to 2A relative S relative. Is there any time relative? Time cannot be relative. For me, for you, for everyone in the universe, time is same only. Lunch time means lunch time only. Correct, Vinita? waiting for lunch. Next, next problem. Next, write a problem. A ship is moving. A ship is moving due east. A ship is moving due east. Nothing but east direction. Due east with a velocity of 12 meters per second. With a velocity of 12 meters per second, comma, a truck is moving across on the ship. Truck is moving across on the ship with velocity 4 meters per second. With velocity 4 meters per second. Full stop. A monkey is climbing the vertical pole mounted on the truck. Vertical pole mounted on the truck with a velocity of 3 meters per second. 3 meters per second. Then find the velocity of monkey. 13. You have done yesterday only all the problems. Yes. Find the velocity of monkey as observed by the man on the shore. Let me repeat the problem. Find the velocity of the monkey as observed by the man on the shore. A ship is moving due east with a velocity of 12 meters per second. Truck is moving across on the ship with a velocity 4 meters per second. A monkey is climbing the vertical pole mounted on the truck with a velocity of 3 meters per second. Then find the velocity of monkey as observed by the man on the shore. Whoever will do this problem, I will give chocolate for them. First, how it is come 13? This many chocolates I cannot get. Whoever got the answer first, for them only I will give. Relative velocity of the monkey, what with respect to the person on the shore. Show me the solution. By seeing solution I will give. All answers without solution. Where is the truck is present on the ship? Where is the monkey is present on the truck? Nothing but what? It is a truck is moving, ship is moving, monkey also moving. But here what we have taken only monkey and then truck is moving. So its relatives are there. Monkey with respect to the truck, with respect to the ship. You have taken only two, then you left the ship. Okay, it is 16 ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ Anybody? Anybody else? Any idea? Only Netra got answer. Yes, sir. That's very simple problem, but the directions are important, sir. Thank you, sir. Let me now take here. Vertical mode ऐसा flying हो जाना होगा. Answer ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ first. You have to tell the direction. ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Only first answer will be considered. First person only will be Netra only. Physics is imagination. No, you are coming to long term, that is only imagination first of all. This is very very simple problem, but the directions are important. Directions are important. See that. I will tell that. Mine only. Yours, sir. So here, what happening? They are saying that ship is moving with what speed? They said 12 meters per second. In which direction? East direction. So that ship is moving in this direction. Across that, what is happening? Across on the ship, which is moving? Truck is moving with what speed? 4 meters per second. Ship is moving with 12 meters per second. So that ship is moving like this. Truck is there on that. Truck is moving across on the ship. Look at this. Like this, the truck is moving. On the truck, who is there? Pole is there. Like this pole is there. Vertically mounted pole is there. On that pole, who is climbing? Monkey is climbing. Nothing but at the same time it is going and then it is coming and then monkey is going upwards. Clear? So that this is going along which axis? X axis. Truck is moving along which axis? Z axis. This one is Z axis. Any axis you can consider. Let me take that is Y axis. Then monkey is going in upward direction. Let us consider that as Z axis. Clear? So that what happening? Ship is going along the X axis. Truck is coming along the Z axis. Monkey is going along the Y axis. Clear? All are happening at the same time. So first of all, everything is in rest. First ship is there. On the ship, truck is there. On the truck, pole is there. Everything is in rest. Once the ship is started, then truck also started, then monkey also started. Clear? So that what happens here? Here ship is moving, the velocity of the ship. With what speed? They said 12 meters per second along the east direction. Truck is moving across on that. Across nothing but most of the people have taken like this only, along the east only again. Then you will not get the correct answer. So truck is moving, the velocity of the truck is equals to how much? 4. Along which axis? They said Z axis. So that 4 k cap. Then velocity of the monkey on the pole, it is going in vertical direction. So that how much that is? J. How much? 3 na? 3 j cap. Clear now? Then what you have to find out? The velocity of the monkey with respect to the person on the shore. He is observing monkey, but monkey is gaining which velocities? Truck velocity as well as the ship velocity. So that what you have to do, nothing but you have to find out the velocity of the monkey with the truck with the ship. That is with respect to what? Ground, otherwise person on the ground. That is equals to, what will get? How many velocities it is having? 3 velocities. One is the ship velocity 12 I cap, another is truck velocity 4 k cap, another is monkey velocity 3 j cap. He is observing only monkey only, but in reality it is having how many velocities? It is having some additional velocities, no? Why? Because truck is moving, ship is moving. So this is the velocity of the monkey with respect to the ground. So here what will get? Magnitude you have to find out, nothing but velocity of the monkey in the truck on the ship, nothing but what you have to do? Under root a x square a y square plus a z square. Then how much it will be? I think 169. Then the answer is 13 meters per second. Clear? That is the directions. Any doubt? But I said no, in which direction truck is moving, nothing but you said x and then y and then z, like this you have taken. As per you, Kushi, then truck is also having 4 I cap only. Then 16 I cap plus 3 j cap you will get. Then you will not get the same answer. Across on. Across andre not along the ship. Along is different, across is different, no? Both are different cases. Next, rain umbrella problems will start. We have finished almost most of the problems in relative motion. Next, rain umbrella problems. What Prajwal and Yuvraj? Why you are fighting? ಮಂಕಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ, ಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. A man is walking. Rain man problems, rain man or rain umbrella problems. Important and very easy. A man is moving, a man is walking on a straight road. A man is walking on a straight road. In the horizontal direction. In the horizontal direction with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. With a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. Full stop. He feels that raindrops are hitting him. Raindrops are hitting him at an angle of 30 degrees with vertical. 30 degrees with vertical. Then find velocity of the rain and velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain and then velocity of rain with respect to man. See, these are very easy problems if you understand. I will explain this. A man is walking on a straight road. Man is walking obviously on the road only, horizontally he will walk on a straight road in the horizontal direction with the speed of how much? 5 kilometers per hour. Nothing but the velocity of the man is how much? 5 kmph. 5 kilometers per hour. This is the velocity of the man. Then what they are saying? He feels nothing but what? Relative velocity. He feels that raindrops are hitting him at an angle 30 degrees. So theta is equals to 30. He is feeling nothing but he is observing. Then what you have to find out? You have to find out the velocity of the rain as well as velocity of rain with respect to man. Listen this one. So man is moving on a horizontal road. Velocity of the man moving on a horizontal road. Then what he is feeling? He is feeling that rain is hitting him 30 degrees with vertical. Generally rain will fall in which direction? Always downward direction, right? So that rain will fall downward direction. But what he is feeling? He is feeling that rain is hitting him. The raindrops are hitting him. At what angle? 30 degrees with vertical. They mentioned that clearly. With vertical 30 degrees. He is feeling nothing but what that is? Relative velocity of the rain with respect to man. Feeling nothing but what? Relative motion only, na? So that what he is feeling that rain is hitting him. So rain is the object, man is the observer. So velocity of the rain with respect to man is Vrm. Now what is the velocity of the rain and then what is the velocity of the rain with respect to man, they are asking. So whenever the vector is there like this, then where the remaining vector will be? In which direction? Obviously vertical direction only, na? Like this only, na? This is the Vr bar. Now you have to find out the Vr bar as well as Vrm. If I take tan 30 is equals to, who is opposite for tan 30? Vm is opposite, that divided by who is adjacent? Vr is adjacent. Tan 30, what is the value? 1 by root 3 is equals to Vm is how much they have given? 5 divided by Vr you have to find out. Then Vr is equals to how much? 5 root 3. 5 root 3 you will get. This is the Vr value. Then after that Vrm you have to find out. How to find out the Vrm? Vrm is equals to Vr minus Vm. So that Vrm is equals to Vr nothing but rain is falling in which direction? Downward direction. So that what I can write? J cap. Then man is moving along the horizontal direction. So that what I can take this as? I cap. Then Vr minus Vm. Vr is how much? 5 root 3 J cap. But in which direction it is falling? Vertically downwards. Downwards nothing but plus or minus? Minus. Minus you have to take. Then minus velocity of the man. How much that is? 5 I cap. The magnitude of Vrm is how much? Magnitude of Vrm is 5 root 3 whole square plus 5 square. Then what will you get? 10 kilometers per hour. Otherwise simply I will tell one more method. Take sin 30. Sin 30 is equals to, what is the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is how much? Vm. Hypotenuse is how much? Vrm. Then sin 30 is how much? 1 by 2 is equals to Vm is 5. Vrm you have to find out. Then Vrm is equals to 10. Directly we got the answer. Clear? Any method you can follow. You can either follow relative velocity formula, otherwise directly with angles only you can follow. So clearly you just remember that whenever the rain is falling, rain will fall always vertically downwards. The person is moving nothing but always he will move in horizontal direction. They will mention either east, otherwise west, like that they will mention. So person is moving with the velocity of man along the horizontal direction. He is feeling, otherwise they will mention like feels, appears, like that. Appears or feels nothing but they are talking about the relative motion. Relative motion of the rain. He is feeling that rain is hitting with a 30 degrees angle. So that 30 degrees angle with what? Vertical 30 degrees. He is feeling nothing but relative motion you have to take. Then you have to find out the Vrm and then Vr you have to find out. So for that purpose, first of all, whenever I got one vector like this, another vector like this, then what happens? Which will be the resultant? Vertical will be the resultant, no, obviously. Rain is falling obviously in which direction? Downward direction. So that is a Vr. Take simply tan 30 and then sin 30. Both the answers will get directly. Otherwise, this is another method. This one is another method by the relative motion formula. Velocity of the rain with respect to man is Vr minus Vm. Vr is what? Vr is equals to 5 root 3 j cap minus Vm is how much? Man is moving along the horizontal, so that is 5 I cap I have taken. Then resultant what will get? 10 kilometers per hour. Otherwise you don't want to do this much, then directly do sin 30. Sin 30 is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Otherwise if you do cos 30 also, what will get cos 30? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Vr by Vrm. Cos 30 value, what is the value? Root 3 by 2 is equals to, Vr is how much I think? 5 root 3 no? Vrm is equals to how much? 5 root 3 divided by, Vr is 5 root 3, Vrm you have to find out. Then root 3 gets cancelled, Vrm is equals to 10 kilometers per hour. Anything is correct only. These are the two methods you can follow. Deepika,